Hey everyone, welcome back. How was your day in the market today? They didn't go exactly the way I thought they would. However, we ended up pretty well flat overall. We ended up with the S&P down about 0.75%, Dow Jones down about 0.75%, and the Nasdaq down about 0.5% on the day. So, I was actually expecting a little bit of a rally in the market. We had the market up for part of the day. However, ended up turning end of the day, ended up pulling down. Even with the markets down, though, the surprising thing is the VIX was also down. The VIX was down 1.30%. So the VIX was down more than the markets was, which we don't normally see. Normally, of course, the VIX, for those of you that don't know, is the volatility index. Normally, when we see the markets red, the VIX is going to be green because that's measuring the volatility of the market. However, it was all red. We did make some money though today. We had our Foot Locker play from last week that we shorted. We took a position at $39. We took another position at $40. We had $39.50 average on those two positions, and I sold them out at $35.95 today, which represented about an 8.9% ROI on that trade. So I was happy to see that come around. Made some good money on that, and now we only have our two plays from this week, as well as our skills and our OUSTs from last week. So we're getting our positions whittled down back where I like to see them. We've still got some stocks that I'm waiting to see pop. However, I feel really good about their odds in the very near future. So we still got, let's take a look. I'm a little bit later getting this video out today just because I've been working outside a little bit today, just been doing a lot of things, had some company over. I do apologize for that. Let's take a look at crypto. Crypto's still holding its own this afternoon, doing a good job. And like I said, I didn't pick up anything today. I was just waiting to see if we could get out of some of the positions that we were already holding. I did want to see if there was anything that just really set itself up for me, and there wasn't any of that today. There was nothing that I just felt like I had to buy. I felt comfortable with what I was in, so I just waited. And sometimes the best thing you can do as an investor is to just wait. We all like to be out there making money each and every day. Me more than most, I do like day trading. I like stacking that interest up day after day after day. But sometimes the most profitable thing you can do is to just take a pause. Let the market come to you. Sometimes that's waiting to sell something. Sometimes that's waiting to buy it. Because the important thing to remember is, I talk all the time, no one ever went poor taking profit. So you might could have waited to sold something and made a little bit more money, but as long as you made money, you're in good shape. However, waiting to buy is far more important, because if you buy and the price isn't quite right, then you could be setting yourself up for a loss. So by waiting to buy, waiting until those stocks hit your buy lines, you're saving yourself money. You're building yourself a good system. This is the important thing that I want to bring to everyone out there, is you have to have a plan. You have to have a system in place, because if you just start trading on your emotions, you're going to get burned. If you trade emotionally, if you see something and it's running up and you just FOMO into it, chances are you're going to lose a lot of money. Even if you happen to make money on that trade, if you continue to do that over and over, you're going to lose more than you gain. However, if you have a good system in place that allows you to win more than you lose, then you're going to come out ahead. And that's what I want to bring to you. That's why I'm on here every day showing you the stocks that I'm picking. I don't come on here and claim to be perfect. We've had losses on this channel, but I try to bring you far more wins than losses. And you can look back through every video I've ever made, what I've recommended, what levels I recommended at, and where we got out at, and you'll see that more than 9 out of every 10 of them have been profitable for us. Some of those profitable in a huge way. Now, we didn't always get out of them the same day or the next day. Sometimes we had to hold that stock for a week or maybe 2. Because remember what I always say, you haven't lost money until you sell at a loss. Now, that doesn't mean that we never sell at a loss, because sometimes it's more profitable to take that loss and then move that money into something else that's going up. I don't want to just sit there and ride something down when I see something else that's about to go up. I will gladly take a loss. I'll gladly take a 5% loss to get an 8% gain. It's bad business not to. And that's how we want to set ourselves up. Don't take a loss for nothing. Don't just sell it because you just want to stop the bleeding. Because if you got in at a good price, you didn't just FOMO in. If you got in at a good price, then if you hold it, chances are 9 times out of 10 you're going to make money. The important thing is, could you make money somewhere else faster? That's the question that you always have to be asking yourself as an investor. And that's what I'm here for, If you ever have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And, sorry for kind of my low energy on the video this morning. Had some sickness going around the household. Just been in and out. Luckily, I haven't got sick. A couple of my kids have. And it's just been, kind of draining. Just getting everybody feeling better. But I appreciate your patience. Make sure you like the video if it's bringing you any value. And, share these videos. Get them out to as many people as possible. I really want to build a community where people can come on here, see what I'm trading every day, follow along, and get the confidence to get out there and make money and trade on their own and change their entire lives. So that's what I'm here for. Make sure you catch me in the morning. Till then, be blessed. Remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.